Hello everyone, this is Celine from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. This is a late night video. It's a Saturday today, and since it's Sunday I don't have to wake up so early, so don't mind what I'm wearing. I'm in my PJs, and after this project I'll be going to bed. So today what I'm making is shower steamers, and I'm using a fir needle essential oil, and I'm making a very small batch. This is just for my family, my personal use. So basically fir needle, from what I have read, is good for opening up congestion. It's good to relieve symptoms of flu and cold and things like that. And my family is going through a lot of symptoms of flu, and they have cold and they have congestions, and so fir needle is good for all that. I have already made a video of eucalyptus and peppermint. That is also good for clearing up your sinuses and things like that, but fir needle is also good for helping with symptoms of flu and things like that. So that's why I'm using fir needle, and that's why it's just for my use. If I think it's really nice, then maybe I'll start selling it, but as of now it's a very small batch. So let's go into the making, and I'll show you all what I do. So I have here pre-mixed all my dry ingredients. So what we have here is 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Well, if you feel that your shower steamer is not getting hard and it's crumbling, you can always increase the amount of cornstarch in your recipe, or you can substitute your cornstarch for cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is also a very nice agent that will really make your bath bombs and your shower steamers hard. I prefer cornstarch because cream of tartar is expensive, and for something that is not going on your skin, which is just going to go into the drain, I feel there's no point making things so expensive, because you're already putting essential oils which are pretty expensive in this. So I'm just mixing up all those ingredients. I'm using a blue mica just to give it a color. I mean, you don't have to put a mica. I just do it because I make different shower steamers, and then I get confused if I don't have a color in it to know which shower steamer is for what, because once it is packed, I don't know what the fragrance is like in it. So I have this mixed up. I am going to now put my mix of menthol crystals dissolved in some rubbing alcohol. This is dissolved in 99% of rubbing alcohol. I use this because I feel that it makes the shower steamers more potent. It is not necessary. You can, if you don't want to use this mix, you don't have to. You can just omit it completely. But I just like it because I feel it helps. this I will add my fern needle essential oil, and that is also going to be 1 tablespoon. If you think you want the fragrance to be stronger, you can just add a little more of your essential oil. But I feel that when I put 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of baking soda, I feel it's pretty good. It becomes pretty strong. But then obviously it's always a personal like and dislike option that you have. Now we'll just give this a good mix. You can give it a squeeze test and see. As of now, this is just crumbling, so I'll spray some water. And also, as I mentioned, if you feel that your steamers are crumbling, or they are not getting hard enough, you can increase the amount of cornstarch, or you can replace it for cream of tartar, or what you can do is you can reduce your amount of citric acid and increase the baking soda. So there are a couple of options. It's like what you choose to do. I feel this should be wet enough now. As you can see, it's holding shape, it's not breaking up. So it's a very simple recipe. It's not really complicated. I try to dry it in these muffin molds which I got from the Dollar Tree, nothing fancy. I do it in these moon cake press molds which I got from Amazon. And the best part is they have different kinds of dies in it with different shapes. You can get these molds in different sizes. This is a small one. There's a bigger one also. You can also get it in a square. So this is a round. You can get it in a square. I don't know if there's any other shape, but what I have is I have a round and I have a square. This is very simple to use. All I do is fill the mold, I press it in, so it's pressed in, and then give it 2 presses and then just unmold it. There it is. This is smelling so nice right now. I can't even explain. It's like really amazing. And fir needle essential oil has a lot of benefits for even your skin. It's also known as an antibacterial and antifungal, so you can always use it even in your body products. I am planning of making a night cream kind of a thing with kojic acid, and I am planning on putting my fir needle essential oil in that with some tea tree oil. So I'll try to make a video when I make that also. So let me do one thing. Let me finish making all of this. I'll get you all back when I'm ready with it, and I'll show you all how many I could make with this measurement. So I've made all of these. So what I have is 8 normal size shower steamers and 1 really small one. That's about it. And if you all don't know how to make the shower steamer last longer, what you just need to do is place one of the shower steamers on the opposite side of your shower head on the floor, and don't let a lot of water fall on it. Just let the water drizzle on it, so that or just keep activating it in between during your shower, so that it doesn't just dissolve completely. Just ensure that it's not in the direct flow of water. The other option, instead of just placing it on the floor, is that you can place it on a like a soap dish which doesn't accumulate water, a soap dish that drains off water very well. You can also place it on that. Just ensure that it's not always in water, because if it's just always in water, it's just going to dissolve and just flow away into your drain. So that's about it. Let me just I have written down the benefits of fir needle essential oil. So let me just get that, and I'll let you know what are the benefits of fir needle essential oil when you inhale it. So from what I have understood about the benefits of fir needle essential oil for inhaling is it treats bronchitis, it fights symptoms of cold, combats flu symptoms, it's remedy for sinus, helps reduce fatigue, boosts your respiratory function. So it is like an aromatherapy also, and it helps loosen the mucus and has an anti-inflammatory effect on the throat and the bronchial tubes. So if you have any congestion inside, it helps to clear that. So inhaling of needle essential oil is really good for all these things. And you all can always go online, check the other benefits. As I said, it's also very good for your skin. Fir needle has a lot of benefits, so you can always go online and check it out. So that's about for this video, and I will get you back when I'm making my next one. And I am thinking of making, as I said, a face cream with kojic acid in it. So when I am making that, hopefully I'll be able to record that and show it to y'all. So that's about it for now. If you like this video, please do hit the like button. If you think this is helpful for anyone, please do share it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Happy weekend.